Welcome to week 5. Week 5 we are going to get into site design guidelines and talk a little bit more about your website structure, help you start on the project to design process, and then we'll talk about credit card payments. You'll have your reflection, and then I'll mention here student feedback to instructor. Please take time to fill that out. I make changes every semester based on feedback from students, so I'd love to hear how the course is going, what's going well, what's not going well, and what we can do better. So we'll jump first into site design guidelines, and this assignment is designed to help you look outside of perhaps what you've thought of already in your site. You've probably thought up the basic structure, the elements you need, or perhaps you need ideas to even start on that. The advantage of the internet and designing businesses online is that you have all other sites to choose from to pull elements from those sites. And so typically you can't trademark something that a certain function on a website and make that exclusive to one website. If you see something on a website, more than likely you can build that into your website. And so it creates these really cool elements where you can go pull or pick and choose from other websites and figure out, oh, how did they do that and how can I get that onto my website? Now it may mean some high-end coding and design that's not available to you, but in most cases you can replicate general designs and functionality that you see on other websites if you want that on yours. So what you'll do for this assignment is to go to 2 successful websites that operate under the same business model, and then you'll pull things that you like from those websites that you can implement into your website. So I have pulled up an example here of apple.com, a popular website, and I'll walk you through some of the things that I see on this site. They spend, as is typical of Apple, they spend a lot of time making sure the design is clean and simple. They focus you on what they want you to see. So right away you see their premier product, the iPhone 11 Pro, and you can learn more about it. You can buy it. They have a great picture here to make you think, oh, that'd be great. They have pricing information. So right off the bat, they're taking your eyes to where they want you to go so that you can purchase their product. Then they've got simple navigation here up top, and that's it. They keep this simple, and they guide you to exactly what they want you to see. And then as you scroll down, you can see additional products, again with the same concept, clean, simple layout with a focus on the product. When someone gets to your website, and this is something I'll probably repeat various times throughout the course, but you will only have a couple seconds to capture their attention. You'll learn later on in the course to measure what's called a bounce rate, and that's how quickly visitors arrive at your website and then leave. And we're trying to minimize the number of bounces. To do that, you've got to capture their attention right away and show them in those first few seconds what you offer above and beyond other websites, other similar websites. And so that challenge is in those first few moments on the website, and that's why Apple designs their site the way they do. So you'll go and choose other websites to pull from, provide the URLs of 2 websites that you compared, and then write down or follow these instructions to write some information about those. Hopefully that gets you thinking a little bit about excuse me, about your business and what might work, what won't work for your site. So we'll go down here now to credit card payments. You'll have your discussion board obviously on site design. Your website may or may not include credit card payments. And you may be looking at this and thinking, no, I have a different business model. This is a really crucial skill to have in your back pocket as a business owner, whether or not you are taking credit card payments on your site right now. So you may be running an affiliate model or an advertising model, Regardless, you'll want to know how to set up credit card payments. We are going to use PayPal for this assignment. In reality, there are other options outside of PayPal, but PayPal has definitely been the the top of the game, excuse me, as far as credit card purchases go for the last decade plus online. So what you'll do is go and go to PayPal, learn to generate a code for your site to accept payments and the button as well. And you'll put that into a Word document. The next steps to actually use that on your website is optional, but there's some instruction there in case you will use this for your site. And that will be about it this week. So week 5 is fairly straightforward, just the 2 topics. Remember to be working on project 2 as that one is going to demand a little bit more from you. So take some time to build that website and to plan it out, get that basic structure down. Please reach out if you're struggling with either of these topics. They're 2 topics that I certainly enjoy teaching on and helping develop for students. So happy to walk through these with you. Thanks.